Welcome to another video of AIdiva. In today's video, we are talking about 4 awesome websites that finish 2 hours of work in 10 minutes. 1. OneTools. It is the holy grail of productivity tools. According to what you need, it will give you the best tools and websites to do your task faster. 2. OKOYA. It is a platform that helps you create, auto-generate, and schedule social media content faster with 10,000 plus images and video templates. 3. PepperType, an OWL-powered content writing tool that generates high-converting content in seconds. It also allows you to train the OWL to adapt to your writing style. 4. Excel Formula Bot. Were you ever using Excel and forgot a formula? Well, with this tool, you just tell it what you want to do, and it gives you the right Excel formula. Magic. Hope you like this video, hit the like button and comment below.